Hello everyone, welcome to AKP's Tech Bytes. Today I'm going to start my Linux journey from Windows 10, and for that I am using Oracle VirtualBox. So let's start the virtual machine. And here I am using Linux Mint. Before starting the journey, let's find out why Linux Mint. Now this is my Windows 10 desktop and this one is the Linux Mint. Now let's go through the structure and layout. Now if you go through the start menu and other options, it's similar to the Windows 10. So here you can compare both the operating system. Let's click on the start menu of Windows 10 and here is the layout. Now I'm going to click on the start menu of Linux Mint and here it is. So the same structure is available in both the operating systems. So if you move from Windows 10 to Linux Mint, it will be not a big problem. Again, let's right click on the Windows 10 desktop. Let's go through the options. Next, on Linux Mint, and you will have almost all the options. So that's the reason actually why I am moving from Windows 10 to Linux Mint. Why not any other Linux distributions? For the time being, Linux Mint is best for a newcomer who is coming from Windows 10 to the Linux world. Now in the left hand side you will find various options. So let's go to the documentation part. Here you will find all the documentation related to the Linux Mint operating system. So for the time being, let's close this dialog and start the customization of Linux Mint. For any operating system, the look and feel is important. First, I'm going to right click on my desktop and let's go to the display settings to change the display resolution. By default, it's 1280 by 800. Let's make it full HD. Let's keep the new configuration. It's time to change the wallpaper. Again, right click on the desktop and let's go to the option change desktop background. Here you will have various options. By default, the Linux Mint wallpaper is selected. Now I am going to customize it. Let's go to the predefined available wallpapers, and here you can find lots of wallpapers available. So just click on the wallpaper and it's going to change the desktop wallpaper. Now here you can see the changes, right? Again, after selecting the wallpaper, let's go to the settings. Let's enable the slideshow option, and after that obviously the delay or interval between the wallpapers. That's it. From Windows user point of view, something is missing, right? If you look at the desktop, icons are missing. So how to place the My Computer and other icons in the desktop? Let's do it. Now right click on the desktop, go to the customize option, and here desktop settings. Now few options are available, so we need to enable these options. Let's do it. Now the My Computer icon is available in the desktop, right? Next, the home folder. After that, trash. So it's the recycle bin of Linux Mint, right? So you can enable other options, but it's not required for me right now because I don't want to make my desktop clumsy one. So for the time being, it's fine. So now it looks like a Windows desktop, right? So all the options are available. Those are available in Windows 10. With this, the day one journey is complete. Now I'm going to wrap up the video tutorial. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like, please share and subscribe. In the upcoming video, I'm going to share the day 2 journey. So stay tuned with AKP's Tech Bytes. Thank you.